Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting because we are going to learn a new technique or mathematical tricks. Especially this type of questions are coming in a various competitive exam. For example, SSC, then NTPC, that is railway, RRB, that is banking. So I have taken one of the example from the competitive exams. So let's have a look how to solve it. So this is a these are the questions. I'll follow the Vedic method in order to save the times, right? In order to save the times, I will apply the Vedic mathematics concept in order to solve these problems. In order to follow the traditional methods, it will take a long time because there are so many numbers. In dotted means there is many numbers are there. You have to add up all the numbers. But if we show you a trick or logic, within a very short time, you can find out the answer. The trick is that it will start from 1, then 2, then 3, then 99. These are all odds number. You have to sum of all you have to add the sum of all the odd numbers up to 99. So the trick is that you have to add the first numbers and the last given number. These two numbers, first number that is 1 and the last number that is 99. These are the two numbers you have to add up. So 99 plus 1 that will give you exactly 100. Now you have to divide it by 2. You make it half. That means you have to divide it by 2. So you will get 50. So 50 is the final answer. If you add 1 to 99, all the odd numbers, you will get 50. Now here in the second case, 3, 6, 9 up to 72. This is the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so on up to 72. The same technique I am going to apply here. The first given number and the last given number I have to add up. So 72 plus 3, that will give me 75. Isn't it? Yes. Now I'm going to make it half. That means I have to divide it by 2. If I divide it by 2, then it will give me 37.5. So this is the correct answer. If we are going to add all these numbers, then definitely I will get 37.5. Similarly, this is the numbers which is divisible by 4. 4a 12 up to 44. This is the number which are divisible by 4. This is the number which is divisible by 3. These are the numbers which is odd numbers. The summations of odd numbers, summations of all the number which is divisible by 3. These are the summations of all the numbers which is divisible by 4. Exactly same trick you have to apply. So this is homework for you. Now if it is clear, that you will do the homework by yourself and write the answer in a comment box. I'll be there to definitely going to help you. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share it among your friends so that I can reach to your friend easily. This video actually benefit for the students, those are really preparing for the competitive exam. Thank you for watching and all the best.